Master of Theology and Bible, THM, degree program, Jhi-Usa. That's the On Hus Institute in Biblical Studies, USA. This is the degree completion program information page. And hi friends, I'm Dr. Dale Warren, your professor. This video records the Jhi-Usa requirements to earn our Master of Theology and Bible degree. This is an advanced level of Christian study that on average could take about 2 years to complete. As with all of our programs, continued dynamic belief, Christian belief, and dynamic activity are required. In addition, you will begin and complete the following programs of study in program order prior to moving to the next degree. Some of the lectures and requirements are repeated and must be completed anew at each degree level. Do not skip them just because you did them for an earlier degree. Our focus is not on arbitrarily issuing degrees, rather it is on your learning, and repetition is the key to learning. Our programs are undergraduate degrees: 1, Certificate in Bible, the CB degree; 2, Diploma in Bible, the DB degree; 3, the Bachelor of Bible, the BB degree. Our graduate degrees are 4, the Bachelor of Theology in Bible, the THB degree; 5, the Master of Theology in Bible, the THM degree; and 6, the Doctor of Theology in Bible, the THD degree. What follows are the requirements for the Master of Theology and Bible, the THM degree. The prerequisite for this level is being a born-again believer in and follower of Jesus Christ, including the Christian dynamic belief and dynamic activity outlined earlier, and successful completion of all requirements for and earning the Bachelor of Theology in Bible degree. In other words, the THB degree is prerequisite. For this level of recognition, successful completion of the following is required. Level 5, Advanced. The Jhi-Usa Master of Theology and Bible, the THM degree. 1. Watch each lecture from the Master of Theology and Bible playlist 2 times. Sometimes the lectures self-reference as being from a different program than that stated by the playlist. Ignore that statement. If it is in this playlist, it is required for this degree. Take notes as you watch. Number 2, read the lecture notes, the lecture notes between the watchings. 3, research each scripture reference. If references are given more than one time or are more than a chapter long, skip the second or multi-chapter readings. 4, write an outline of the lecture's main points. 5, write a 500-word summary for each lecture for your own files. 6, read the entire Bible through 2 times in different translations than you have before. If you're fluent in English, use the English Standard Version, the ESV, and the New American Standard Bible, the NASB. All versions are currently available free of charge on the BibleGateway.com platform. 7. Memorize 5 additional scripture verses of your choosing. 8. Write out your detailed salvation testimony using different words than you have before. 9. Write and post this new detailed salvation testimony on social media. 10. Record and post on social media a video in your own words for the essential content of the teaching of each of the 4 one-minute videos from the playlist, How to Be Reconciled to God. Be saved, be personal, be adopted, beware. Those videos should also be posted on this THM playlist. 11. Write, memorize, and practice giving to another person in 2 minutes or less how to be saved. 12. Read the following articles on the history of theology and biblical theology 1 time. And then we have Biblical Theology and the Link, History of Christian Theology and the Link, the Theology of John Calvin and the Link, Theology of Jacobus Arminius and the Link, and the Theology of John Wesley and the link to those papers, to those articles. Number 13, write a 1,000-word paper on the comparing and contrasting of Calvinist and Arminian theology. 14, read 10 articles of your choice in the Standard Encyclopedia of Philosophy, and the link is given. 15, write a 10,000-word master's thesis on a topic from the list provided. 16, read the 3 articles linked here concerning the inerrancy of Scripture. And there are 3 listed articles, one from the gotquestions.org website on the Chicago Statement of Biblical Inerrancy, the second one from the wikipedia.org website on the Chicago Statement, and third, the actual Chicago Statement on Biblical Inerrancy printed by the Gospel Coalition, appearing here, Gospel Coalition, a link to that article. Number 16, read this summary of church history twice, and there is a link to that summary. 17, browse for 60 minutes or more in each of the following: Bible Gateway, Blue Letter Bible, Got Questions, Bible.org, and Bible Hub, and the links for each are in the notes to this lecture. Number 18, read 10 articles of your choosing from Theopedia, and the link is in the notes. Number 19, complete the quizzes, midterm, and final exams. Number 20, download the Master of Theology and Bible Lectures on a PC or external drive. By the completion of these requirements, the Jan Hus Institute in Biblical Studies, USA, hereby awards you and authorizes you to claim to hold the Jhi-Usa Master of Theology and Bible degree, our THM degree. Now this is important, it's all important, but this is mentioned especially. When you have completed these requirements for the Jhi-Usa Master of Theology and Bible, the THM degree, record your name, country, and month and year of completion in the comments below this video, the first video on this playlist. The requirements also. Now, sometimes the comment section for this video would be used up for other things. So just make sure that you list that information on the very first video of this playlist, that the video allows you to actually make that addition to the comments. Now, I recommend that you download any Bible translations you use to thumb drive or to another computer or something. During tribulation or later, it may become more challenging to locate the various translations. Now, at that time, and only if necessary, you may substitute any available translations, but the reading must still be 1 or 2 times through for each degree as specified. And so I'm Dr. Dale Warren, your host for the Jan Hus Institute in Biblical Studies, signing off for now. And keep in mind, I will be praying for you that you have a successful journey of study, that you will be well, and that you will be blessed.